Welcome back to Ironman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week again. I am so thrilled to be working with this kit. It is the Autumn Abundance for September 2024 kit. So let's have a look at what's in the box. So we've got our instruction sheet, and I'm already really excited about this card here. So we've got our projects, we've got our instructions, full color instructions, plus our little handy dandy measuring tape across the edge. The coordinating colors for this are Cajun Craze, Crumb Cake, Crushed Curry, Early Espresso, Night of Navy, Pecan Pie, Poppy Parade, Pumpkin Pie, Very Vanilla, and Wild Wheat. So really moving into all of those fall colors. And we're also going to be working with the add-on set of dies that go with the quarterly kits. So we have a Cajun Craze Stampin' Spot. We have our stamps with thanks, thinking of you. Then we've got a snail shell and a snail body, so you can have two different colors. We've got leaves, and then we've got some stems. So sending autumn wishes your way as well. So that's a nice stamp set there. We've got some mini dimensionals. Oh, and these are mini cards. How awesome is that? We've got these really cute envelopes. They've got, I'm trying to decide which color. I think this is the pecan pie on the inside. That one, plus our mats. And then we've got another set of envelopes. This is more of the Cajun Craze, and then the Night of Navy on the inside. I love it when they decorate the envelopes too. Then we've got our card fronts for the little guys here. So for these ones, we've got the card bases. Oh, and they've got the front and the back. Oh, and they've got little, it's almost like rose gold embellishments on, or ink on there. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but so we've got our cards and the fronts and backs. Oh, double the possibilities. And then we've got some die cuts. We've got some snails and leaves and some logs. So there we go. There's the other one again, double-sided, front and back. We've got some adhesive dots. We've got our greeting banners. Oh, look at these. This is so cool. So we've got some more die cuts, all with that kind of that rose gold or copper kind of embellishment on, like foil embellishment. And then we've got some more die cuts here. So really, really looking forward to working with this kit. So stay tuned for those projects in that first alternate.